You asked, can I get a solar rebate for a rental property?
The short answer is yes, and that's because the solar power rebate is actually linked with the property address, not with the person who owns it. Therefore, anytime you have a property in Australia, that property can get a solar rebate. So if you own 2 rental properties, are an owner occupying another property, all of those property can get it. And the rebate currently is called the Small Scale Technology Certificate, which is also known as STCs. If you own a commercial property, for example, the good news, you also can get the rebate, as long as you fulfill the criteria as spelled out by the federal government. One of the key criteria is that the equipment, being the panels and the inverters, that they are approved by the Clean Energy Council. And then when it comes to the install of the equipment, you can't just use any electrician, even if they know how to do it. The electrician and the installer, therefore, has to have the Clean Energy Council approved accreditation, both in design and install. Now, normally our partners, of course, know all about the rebate because they've done it for many years. So if you've got further questions, just ask any of the installation company. Rebate for panels generally is run by the federal government, but there are also some rebates for batteries, and they really vary from state to state. So you've got to check that out locally. Now, in case you purchase a home and it already has a solar system on and it's a decade old and doesn't work very well, or it's broken, you might say, oh, well, I already got the rebate for this property, I can't do anything. The good news is you can get the rebate again for the same property when you put a new system on again. Now, the size of the rebate, interestingly, is also linked to the size of the solar system. So the bigger the system you put on, the bigger the rebate you get.
Trust me, size does matter all the time.
Nice.
And the rebate varies a little bit from area to area in Australia because it's linked to how much renewable energy the system produces. Therefore, it's linked to how much sunshine goes on the system. So in Hobart, you get a lower rebate than you would get in Queensland. My recommendation is find a good installer, discuss the rebate angle with him. But the good news is yes to rebate for your home, yes to rebate for rental, and yes to rebate for commercial.
Want more energy answered? Visit yourenergyanswers.com for quality energy products, tools and calculators, and find your quality local installers. Please support the channel by liking the video, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell, and check out all our other videos. You're still here? I'll see you next time. Bye.